Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you how I make my Call of Duty thumbnails. It's something very quick and something very easy, so I said why not share it with you guys, so maybe if you need to make any thumbnails this will be very useful to you. So with no further ado, let's just start to it. You start by going down to Play Store, Google Play, you'll search thumbnail maker. Once you get down to thumbnail maker you will see all sorts of thumbnail apps. The best one, which for me I believe, it's this one. It's called Ultimate Thumbnail Maker Thumbnail Design. Obviously I have installed it. If you haven't, please do so. Once you install it, just open the app. Once you open the app, it's very simple and straightforward. You've got create. Create means you'll be doing a layout straight from scratch. You've got ready made, which you can modify the ones that the users have made. Mostly it's the one I use. And then the feature they have here, which is called My Edit, it's actually a good one. It's basically whatever you've done, it will save it up. So if you like to keep the same layout on your YouTube, all you gotta do is come down to My Edit, follow up to the last one you've created, change the words, change the background, and you've got a thumbnail created. So let's just get down to the ready-made. This is the one I use. Obviously now here you've got the types. You can get cover for Facebook, thumbnails for YouTube, covers for YouTube, posts for social media. You've got all sorts of stuff that you can choose because it's got the correct sizings. We will do thumbnail for YouTube today. There we go. Now you can choose the thumbnails. You've got different varieties of models. You've got fashion, food, gaming, music, photography, spa, traveling, summer, all sorts of stuff. We're going to start by doing the gaming one. This is the one that I'm going to choose. Again, it's something very simple, so just to show you exactly how I made them, you can play around with the app, and obviously there might be things that you will find that I haven't found, so go ahead. So let's just change this. We don't need this template one. We're gonna write down what we're gonna write. Let's just say easy steps to a perfect thumbnail. Easy step to a perfect thumbnail. Yeah, that's great. There you go. We'll change the font. We'll put my favorite one. This is my favorite font. Leave it down here, move it down here. This one, make it bigger. You can change the colors as well. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to change the one to red. I don't like this font, so let's get another font. This will be the one. There we go. Another thing that I put on my thumbnail is it's my logo. If you don't have a logo, I would recommend you create your own logo. It does help. It does help the YouTube algorithm. If you want to add up your logo, it does show up your brand. It shows up that you are unique, and we are all unique in different ways, so please do get your own logo. So you go down, get your background first. Once you have chosen your background, you will be getting your logo. Now that I have my logo, this is exactly how you add it up. You choose the sizings, you put it on the top right corner. That's it. That's my simple one. And then you've got a thumbnail ready. If you did enjoy, please drop a like button, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to the page. Once again, thank you so much for watching.